Welcome back to the channel. We're going to give this one more try. We're set up at Finn's again, and we'll see what happens. A little bit of a different morning this morning, a little bit foggy. We had some snow overnight. It's -2 degrees right now, which will be that in American. Thank you for joining us.
What's a big fish?
Alrighty.
Oh my goodness. Get him, get him, get him.
Oh wow.
Big fish. Just wow. Too. That'll be a female. Yeah. 24? 24, yeah. Yeah. Let me get your picture. Nice fish.
Gotcha.
Okay, put it back.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Right. What a beauty. Nice fish.
This time I'm gonna be a little more careful. Oh, he's a good one.
I'm trying to make.
Oh!
I'm trying to make a coffee here.
Okay, I'll get you one of these. I had 2 of them nail it at once there. Nice.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay, so we're on the fish.
We're on them.
Shut that.
Keep losing them on the edge of the hole here. Got to adjust our technique. Yeah, a little greenback. That would be a leader, I think. That'd be soggy.
That's the one.
Sure. I got it.
You got him?
Yeah. Sure.
We'll just
We can do that. Sure. Little sauger. Absolutely.
Just saw on the camera too.
Yep. Take that. Just using little jigging spoons. This is one that I modified and added some bucktail and that too. I'll put a link to the video. All right, lunchtime on Forster's Outdoors. This is probably our last ice trip this year, so we're gonna have steak. Why not? Do a little bit of gourmet cooking. And of course, I'm not gourmet. I haven't been to gourmet school, but yeah. And I'm just warming the beans in some boiling water. All right, so we're cooking steak. We're still fishing. I'm heating beans on my other stove. We're gonna have some potatoes with this. We're in a bit of a doldrum. We're not catching anything right at this very moment. We had a really good bit of action there for a bit. We're not catching anything, so the best way to solve that problem is to make something complicated for lunch. Involves cutlery, and then that'll bring the action.
There we go. Oh yeah, he's a gooder. Oh, we can eat that. Yep. You want to keep that one?
Yeah, I do. Nice fish.
You want a picture?
No, we're good.
The other way. Go a little bit there.
Awesome.
Let's try. Oh, it's a good size though.
Oh, it's a big white fish.
Wow.
Wow.
There we go.
You should try one of them, I think.
Yeah.
You want to try one of them?
Yeah, I think so. They're strong, eh?
Oh yeah. It's hard to hang on to that.
Yeah.
Good fish. Lunch check. I checked. We're almost there. Oh, Michael.
What is it? Big Walter.
Holy cow. Whoop, I just put my rod in the water. There we go. Yeah, we got this. Rookie. He's big. Put him out. Oh, there he is. Beauty fish.
There's another one lurking around down there.
Look. Well, that went well. Put the fire out. Well, just had some excitement there. Another 24-inch walleye. Greenback. We're doing laundry up here because I had my arm all the way down the hole to get him. He spit the hook out coming up the hole, so I reached down and got him.
Thanks, Phil.
There you got it. So, nice fish. We're going to keep on fishing here. Oh, this is going to be fun.
No, I'll just get some. There you go.
Sure.
Yep.
Burbot. That's the first time I've ever caught one of them.
You're gonna have to burn these.
I don't know what this one is.
That's our walleye. That's a good one. Yep.
Oh, that's a
Sorry.
beauty.
I mean to throw them.
No, we're all good.
Need pliers.
Injury. Injury. There we go. Absolutely.
There now.
We call these greenbacks. They've got very bright green color on them. Very nice fish.
Get it.
Yep. Excellent.
Another one.
Another. Oh. Your shirt wet.
This one's fire.
That's all right. Some action.
That counts.